Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from Crazy Gamer. In this video, we will be learning how to link Pokémon GO to Facebook. Linking your Pokémon GO account to Facebook lets you share achievements, find friends, and secure your account easily. In order to do that, launch open your Pokémon GO application on your smartphone first. Once you're in this main home screen, go ahead and tap on the Pokeball icon at the bottom of the screen in the center, and then this will open up other menu. From the menu, tap on Settings at the top right corner. Now, go ahead and click on Account. Inside Account, look for the Facebook option and tap on it. Click the Continue button and enter your Facebook account's credential on the next page. Write down your mobile number or email address, followed by your password for your Facebook account in the correct text box. After you are done typing down your credential, click on Login. Once you are done with your credential, tap the Continue button when you see this interface, and you will then be able to link Pokémon GO to Facebook. You can now share your Pokémon GO milestone on Facebook, connect with friends, and keep your game data backed up securely. So that was how you can easily do it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I will see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.